Welcome to a road in the Sunk Island area. Here there are a group of swallows, at least one house martin and a few sand martins all gathering on the road. It seems as though they're taking advantage of the shelter provided by these trees. So just getting out of the wind and sort of saving a bit of energy for a few seconds. But you can just see just how many of them are massing here. Yesterday there was a massive movement of swifts going through Spain, so up to 3 o'clock in the afternoon 10,000 swifts went south through Spain. There are quite a lot of swifts about today, but they wouldn't be able to do this. They've only got like hooks on their very stubby legs, if you can count them as legs, just hooks really without any legs. And if they land, they find it really difficult to get up again, so you have to sort of lift them up and give them a bit of draft so that they can proceed. We can just see how many swallows and the occasional sand martin there is here. Doesn't seem to be a house martin present at the moment. And when they were calling, it was mainly swallows that were making that delightful twittering sound. The sound in the background is Chaffinch's rainbird call. There was one singing here a few minutes ago. Oh, I can hear the sand martins now as well. Keep my eyes open for a hobby, because I'm afraid hobbies will take swallows and even swifts, and maybe the red-footed falcon that was in the area, maybe they would take one of these as well if they could. Okay, thanks for your time.